So when I talk to a lot of machinists about 3D printing, they usually have this sort of 3D printing versus CNC machining mindset, or they're afraid that 3D printing might completely replace CNC machining. So we know 3D printing with both metal and plastic has been around for a while, but over the last few years, the technology has advanced rapidly and it's changing the game. The cost has come down, the accuracy, reliability, and build volume has gone up, and it's being adopted in industries across the world. Companies are using 3D printing for things like lightweight aerospace parts with integrated lattice structures or topology optimization, custom medical implants or dental implants. Even NASA is able to make parts in space thanks to zero-gravity 3D printing. The level of technology is insane, and the design freedom that it provides engineers is probably 3D printing's biggest strength. In some cases, you can literally take full-on assemblies, redesign them into a single part, and 3D print them. There's also no tooling involved, very little programming or setup, and they run completely unattended. So before I started using 3D printers, I used to wonder myself if it would ever take my job. I think every machinist has had that thought. But now that I've run both CNC machines and high-level 3D printers, I know that even though 3D printing will inevitably take some work from CNC machining, the need for CNC machine work that is created because of 3D printing will far outweigh the work that goes away due to 3D printing. Companies like Relativity Space exist thanks to 3D printing, but they also have CNC machining needs as well, which is a perfect example of how 3D printing is growing CNC machining. If you take a look at most industrial 3D printers, they are complex pieces of machinery made up of hundreds of CNC machine parts, which means the production of 3D printing machines themselves are dependent on CNC machining. When it comes to high volume production manufacturing, CNC machining is king. If you have hundreds of thousands of parts to make, they are going to be made on a CNC machine of some kind. Even with the impressive advancements in the last 3 years, 3D printers still can't reliably hold tight tolerances to within 1 thou or less. But coming from a mold making background, the idea that you can now print your mold inserts out of tool steel with conformal cooling channels and then finish machine the part detail to size is incredible. This can drastically reduce an injection molded part's cooling time. We can also print fixtures, vice jaws, custom coolant nozzles. The possibilities are literally endless. You know, who really knows what the future holds, but right now, both of these technologies are here to stay. 3D printing is just another tool in our toolbox to help us compete with the world and drive further technological advancements. It will not replace CNC machining anytime soon, and instead it will help to grow it and enhance it. The combination of the two is going to take this industry to levels never seen before, which is why we are teaching all the facets of manufacturing right here at Titans of CNC for free. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll see you next time.